Hi, everyone. My name is Alex Hoffmann. I'm at UCLA. I'm one of the organizers for the Systems Immunology to Immunoengineering conferences in January 2026. And I'm excited to tell you more about it. As all of us now appreciate, the immune system is really the key determinant of good health, not only its capacity to keep infections away, but also cancers and neurological disease. And so over the past decade, the opportunities to immunoengineer, has been amply documented. And yet, as powerful as engineered molecular and cell therapies are, they're not without risk. Understanding how they function, how they interact with the immune system, and how they function within our tissues and the physiology is absolutely critical, not only to generate new innovative diagnostics and therapies, but to ensure that they're safe. So a major challenge for understanding how the immune system works is its key hallmark, that it's a distributed organ, that it responds dynamically, and how those numerous cell types must communicate together and signal to each other to coordinate their dynamical assembly to the sites of injury and infection. That remains a key challenge that we are hoping to address. What's really cool about this meeting in January is that we are doing it jointly with the immunometabolism meeting. And many of the functions are enabled, of course, and the functions of immune cells are enabled by their metabolism and also limited by ideas of exhaustion. But then those immune cells, as they go into tissues, are also finding a context, a milieu of that determines the ability to metabolize. And so cell-cell interactions in those tissues are really important. My hope for this conference is really that we facilitate communication between people from different backgrounds. As I mentioned, I think we're excited about some of our immunologists who are traditionally trained in immunology. There's a strong component on big data and computational methods, and people who are developing these methods and are learning immunology in the process are going to be there, as well as people who are really at the forefront of synthetic biology and engineering immune cells. What's wonderful about a Keystone Symposium, when I've always attended, is just the ability to interact with people, both formally in the sessions, but also informally. Always a highlight at these meetings are the poster sessions, where many of our trainees, postdocs, and PhD students are presenting and are getting feedback. Indeed, there are a lot of opportunities for early career scientists to present. We have sessions that are dedicated for short talks in the afternoons, and those will be selected from abstracts. And those abstract deadlines, I think this year will be on September 10th, 2025, so in 3 months or so. And other early career scientists who prefer to present posters, the deadline is December 18th this year. And so we look forward to active participation, not just listening to talks, but really presenting your work, and we're excited about that contribution. The confluence of both established technologies and new technologies make this a super exciting time in immunology, and that's what we want to highlight, and that's what we want to continue to promote with this conference.